Have you ever wondered what happens to your specimen after a procedure? Well, welcome to histology. We receive specimens fixed in formalin, both large and small. These specimens are then demographically checked to ensure that the patient details on the form and the plot match. This is then anonymised by giving it a barcode. The barcode allows us to track the patient's specimen through the lab.
Biopsy specimens are transferred from the pot into a cassette via BMS and assisted by a lab assistant who will write down the blocking details.
3 pieces of tissue ranging in size between 3 to 4 millimetres.
Larger specimens are dissected by specialist doctors and again assisted by a lab assistant to take the blocking details. These specimens tend to have a lot more cassettes to show the different pieces of tissue sampled from the specimen. Once they are in cassettes, they are ready for processing.
Processing involves the removal of water from the tissue and infiltrating it with wax. This usually takes a bit of time depending on the size of the specimen. Smaller specimens are quicker to process, larger specimens take a longer period of time.
Once the specimen has been processed, they are then embedded into wax, forming a wax block.
Blocks are cut using a microtome to create thin sections of tissue which can be mounted onto a slide ready for staining.
All specimens are routinely stained with hematoxylin and eosin on the cover stainer. This allows visualization of cells underneath the microscope. Additionally, further tests may be requested, such as special stains and immunohistochemistry, which includes molecular diagnostics. These stains help to ensure the patient gets the best possible treatment and the correct diagnosis.
Once slides are stained, they are laid out with their blocks and matched for quality checks.
The slides are then checked under a microscope to check that dissection and staining is of good enough diagnostic quality before passing them over to a consultant for reporting.
This marks the end of a specimen's journey through histology. We hope you enjoyed the tour.